Hello everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script you are going to study present continuous tense present. Like you can see from the topic, are you doing or are you doing? In Lao, it means เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่ for the keyword red color count. Count in Lao is mean ต่อ Why not we count? Because of the lesson is not finished. I make the lesson or video clip just only short, step by step, side by side, line by line, to make all of you follow and subscribe, understand clear. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's go and practice together. Let's go. In Lao รูปแบบคำถาม in English present. Start from number 1, the left hand, the question. Am I doing? This is for the question. In Lao ค่อยกำลังเฮ็ดหยังบ่ค่อยกำลังเฮ็ดบ่ like this. Am I doing? ค่อยกำลังเฮ็ดบ่ For the right hand or the blue color sentence is mentioned to positive sentence. This on the left hand present. There we change present to positive sentence. It will be I am doing. In Lao ค่อยกำลังเฮ็ด Next, number 2, question. Or are you working? Two positive sentence. You are working. Or you are working. In Lao, are you working? เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่ For the positive sentence, you are working or you are working in Lao เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดเวียก Next, number 3, question. Is he going? In Lao ลาวผู้ชายกำลังไปบ่ Positive sentence. He is going. In Lao ลาวผู้ชายกำลังไป Next, number 4. Is it eating? This is for the present. In Lao มันกำลังกินบ่ Positive sentence. It is eating. In Lao มันกำลังกิน Next, number 5. Or are we staying? This is for present. In Lao พวกเขากำลังพักบ่ Positive sentence or positive. We are staying. We are all staying. In Lao พวกเขากำลังพัก Next, number 6. Present sentence. Is she going? In Lao ลาวผู้หญิงกำลังไปบ่ Positive sentence. She is going. In Lao ลาวผู้หญิงกำลังไป Next, number 7. Question. Or are you writing? In Lao พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังเขียนบ่ Positive sentence. you or are writing you or are writing why not I read to south or verb to be are because it has two styles American and British south so repeat again you are writing you are writing in ลาวพวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังเขียนพวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังเขียน next number 8 are they sleeping or are they sleeping are they sleeping or are they sleeping in ลาวพวกเขากำลังนอนบ่พวกเขากำลังนอนบ่ positive sentence they are sleeping they are sleeping in ลาวพวกเขากำลังนอนพวกเขากำลังนอน next number 9 are they crying are they crying or are they crying is for present sentence in ลาวพวกเขากำลังร้องไห้บ่พวกเขากำลังร้องไห้บ่ positive sentence they are crying they are crying they are crying they are crying in ลาวพวกเขากำลังร้องไห้พวกเขากำลังร้องไห้ next number 10 last number for descript question are you enjoying are you enjoying or are you enjoying are you enjoying many people like to read enjoying the correct sound you should read follow the phonetic sound like I write here enjoying not enjoying positive you are enjoying you are enjoying in ลาว for the question first are you enjoying พวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังม่วนบ่พวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังม่วนบ่ for positive sentence you are enjoying or you are enjoying in ลาวพวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังม่วนพวกเจ้าพวกท่านกำลังม่วน break here for this lesson or this script thank you very much for all of you subscribe follow all of my video to make encourage me to create the new lesson for you thank you